that surrounds me.
For today's DIY video, I'll be starting off with a glass vase. I'm going to use tape to make a pattern inside the vase, and then I'm going to be spray painting inside the vase so that I can keep the pattern when the tape is off. I'm using the tape to make straight lines, and it's not going to go all the way down because something else is going to be at the bottom of the vase. This is what I have. Now I'm going to go ahead and spray paint the inside using a white gloss spray paint. I used a white Rust-Oleum spray paint inside the vase, and this is the brand that I used. I waited for the spray paint to dry, and then I took off the tape. There are some imperfections in the line, but I will be taking care of that much later. I'm going to be adding Mod Podge inside the vase, and this will be only on the transparent side. This is a gift idea for the holidays that's personalized for that special someone. Now, this gift idea is super easy to make and affordable as well. When I was done applying the Mod Podge, I took confetti from the Dollar Tree and I used just one pack, and it comes like this. I removed the gold confetti that's at the top here and put it in a bowl. I'm going to be sprinkling the confetti inside the vase where I applied the Mod Podge.
If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos.
I know it looks like this for now, but trust me, when it dries, it's going to look way better because all you're going to see will be the confetti through the glass. I was going to use gold tape on the line, but I prefer something much thinner because this won't work for the design that I want. So I picked this one. Now I'm going to be using this tape on all the lines that I have on the vase. I'm going to keep this aside and then take cake mold, and the link for this is going to be down in the description box below for those of you who would want to attempt this project. And this mold comes in two. I'm going to be using hot glue and pouring it inside the mold. This will require a little bit of patience because the hot glue gun is not going to work as fast as it should when you start putting in the glue on the second mold and the third mold. So you're going to have to wait. Luckily for me, I have two hot glue guns that I kept changing to make this faster. After some minutes, when it was dry, I took them out. And this is what it looks like. Now the edges are going to be cut because I don't like the fan shape that's by the sides. So I'm going to cut that off with scissors. Like I said earlier, the mold comes in two. So this is the second one that's in pink. And as I was doing this, I made sure that I filled up the blue and the pink mold together at the same time. Now I did this 3 times to get as much mold as I can get. And then when they were dry, I took them out and I spray painted them gold. You'll notice that some are not shiny, and that is because they were not totally dry from the mold before I took them out. That's why they look like that. So I'll advise that you wait for the glue to dry before you take them out from the mold. I'll be gluing on the roses at the bottom part of the vase. Anywhere I see that a full rose mold cannot fit, I'm going to cut it with a pair of scissors to fit the space. And guys, did you notice that I kind of made a 2-in-1 vase here in this design? Because the base looks bulky, but in a decorative way. Now for this idea, if you like, you can have a full vase with just the molded roses and another vase with just the confetti. For those of you who have followed my channel for a while now, it's been about 4 years ago that I made a DIY with air clay, and I made roses with air clay. Now the link for that video is going to be down in the description box below. I also made another video a couple of years back with cake molds, but this time around I used cement and not hot glue. The link for that video is going to be down in the description box below as well. With all the styles that I've used over the years in making my rose mold, I kind of like the one where you use the mold and hot glue because the roses come out super shiny. And this will be a nice gift idea for that special someone for the holidays. And it's going to be even better if that someone is in love with DIY and crafting. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button